Senior mechanic Billy Travis's route to a career in power plant maintenance began the same as many young men in the early 1970s.
I got out of the Navy on March the 22nd, went to Big Rivers and put in my application and got hired April the 22nd.
Travis didn't know much about energy generation, but Big Rivers Coleman Station wasn't far from his home in Owensboro.
I just wanted a job.
He walked into that job interview ready to get to work and met a manager ready to make that happen.
Started, physical and everything was fine. He said, when you want to go to work? I said, how about today? He said, how about tomorrow, which was on a Saturday. First day was 12 hours, and that's about it.
Travis trained as a certified welder in the military. He would spend the early weeks at Big Rivers helping the plant run before finding a fit that matched his skills.
They wanted me in maintenance. They was just waiting for an opening, so they put me in operations and cleaned up coal and just whatever come up next. 6-8 weeks or longer before they got an opening into maintenance.
He soon realized that his new job in maintenance could turn into his forever job.
I was 24 years old. It's all different, but it's better. You're not going anywhere.
Coleman Station generated more than 400 megawatts of power from 3 units, a feature that often kept the maintenance team very occupied.
At Coleman, we usually had a tube leak, had one that we thought had a tube leak, and the other one we was just getting finished with a tube leak.
In 1984, Big Rivers brought Wilson Station online. This new plant would produce upwards of 400 megawatts of power from a single unit. When a position opened at Wilson, Travis jumped at the opportunity.
Coleman had 3 plants, 3 units. Wilson had 1. I said, I think that's where I want to be.
Decades later, the department is smaller, but he feels like the day-to-day responsibilities of a senior mechanic are much the same.
You learn a lot more by doing it yourself and having people to help you do it. It's a pride to say, you know, I did that.
Maintenance mechanics do it all, and there's no such thing as a normal day. When power production fails, they're called to put in long hours making repairs.
Whatever comes up, we got work orders, and whatever work orders the boss gives us.
After 50 years, Travis is now excited to spend more time with friends and family.
Well, just one thing is if we go to a friend's house, I don't have to leave early to go to work.
He's also leaving Big Rivers with the special bonds created in the maintenance shop.
The guys, it's always the guys, but we all still hang out. It's a lot of fun.